and decomposes to give nascent oxygen and O2. The decomposition is exothermic and is catalyzed by many components. High concentration of ozone is very explosive. Now move to the oxidizing actions of ozone. Due to the ease with which it gives nascent oxygen, it is a powerful oxidizing agent. Ozone is a powerful oxidizing agent, that is second to that of fluorine. It reacts readily than dioxygen. It oxidizes lead sulfide to lead sulfate. Ozone. Similarly, nitrogen dioxide to dinitrogen pentoxide. Next you can see potassium iodide to iodine. These reactions are, you can learn step reactions also or simply also. This see पोटाशियम आयोडाइड सॉल्यूशन और स्टार्च बोरेट बफर में अगर ओजोन डाली जाती है, आयोडीन इज लिबरेटेड, दैट इज़ यूज टू फॉर टाइट्रेशन ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड सोडियम थायोसल्फेट सॉल्यूशन. तो आयोडीन जो इसमें कंज्यूम हो जाएगी और हमें पता चल जाएगा कितना गैस मिक्सचर में ओजोन है. Let's now take the structure of ozone. The ozone molecule is symmetrical and bent with a bond angle of about 117 degree. Bond length of the two oxygen bond is same, that is from the resonance structure, that is 128 picometer. Bond length is intermediate of single and double bond. It means it is having resonance hybrid of canonical form. आपने रेजोनेंस में +1 में किया है, सेम चैप्टर केमिकल बॉन्डिंग में. ये आपको स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ओजोन शो कर रहे हैं. रेजोनेंस स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ओजोन इज जस्ट शोन टू यू. नाउ मूव टू द यूजेस ऑफ ओजोन. ओजोन इज यूज एज germicide. It is just see, ozone is also used as disinfectant. For example, it is used purifying the drinking water because it take out the bacteria and viruses. As it decomposes readily to nascent oxygen, so it is used as mild bleaching agent for this starch, flour, oil, wax and delicate fabrics के लिए bleaching agent में use की जाती है. It is used in manufacturing of potassium permanganate from magnate. It is also used in manufacturing of artificial silk and synthetic camphor. Now we have to take the another family member, that is sulfur. It is having two crystalline forms, rhombic sulfur and monoclinic sulfur. This is known as alpha and beta also. Rhombic sulfur is stable at room temperature, whereas monoclinic sulfur is stable above 369 Kelvin. These are two reversible reaction. By slow heating, alpha can be beta or reverse it can be. Rhombic sulfur occur in volcano region also. It is also obtained by solution of roll sulfur in carbon disulfide. It is having melting point 385.8 Kelvin and specific gravity is 2.06. It dissolved in water and do not soluble in water when dissolved, but carbon disulfide में soluble होती है. Now move to the beta sulfur. It is prepared by using crust of sulfur, and in this the sulfur is monoclinic obtained by remaining liquid by pouring the here beta sulfur formed, which is soluble in carbon dioxide, carbon disulfide. Just see, it is soluble in carbon disulfide. These are not soluble in water. It has melting point 393 Kelvin and specific gravity 1.98. This is the specific gravity of monoclinic sulfur. Is stable after above 369 Kelvin. Below this temperature it turns into alpha sulfur, whereas alpha sulfur rhombic below its stable and above it changes into monoclinic sulfur. At 369 Kelvin both remain equilibrium, that is both are stable. So that is temperature 369 Kelvin is known as transition temperature. This is known as transition temperature at which though both are existing, both having the shape crown puckered conformation. So just see, this is the shape of the rhombic and monoclinic sulfur. The bond angle is 107 degree and bond length is 204 picometer. Other forms it exists as S7, S9, S10, S11, S12 and S18 and S20. These are the various forms of sulfur allotropes are formed. But that is sulfur S8, it is the major, whereas in chair conformation cyclo S6 is there. The angle and bond length is shown to here. Sulfur as the temperature increase become darker. At 433 S8 ring ये टूट जाते हैं and it when dissolved in water it give plastic sulfur, or you can say gamma sulfur. The vapors at 473 Kelvin may S8 rings, and at this it become S2 molecule. S8 वाले S2 molecule में change हो जाते हैं. तो at 1000 Kelvin पे for like oxygen S2 molecule also have two unpaired electrons, so it is paramagnetic in nature. ये बहुत बार आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है कि कौन सा फॉर्म है सल्फर का इन विच इट इज़ एक्टिंग एज अ पैरामैग्नेटिक इन नेचर. तो आपने बताना होता है कि ये सल्फर का S2 जो है